Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. Yep, that's right, I'm still polishing these rims for the gold truck. It's slowly becoming one of my favorite pastimes to do on a Saturday afternoon. As well as buying Toyota Landcruisers. Oh, actually, that's my full-time job. And yeah, that's probably why you're here. You're wondering what I picked up this time. Well, I might have just picked up the best buy to date. And I know I keep saying that, but they just keep getting better. This truck that I bought is a 1983 and it's from Inland, California. And trust me, I have a Carfax that confirms that. So as soon as I'm done polishing these rims out a little bit, I'm gonna take you out to where the truck is so we can go pick her up together. Because unfortunately, I wasn't able to bring you guys along when I went to go buy it, as the transaction happened extremely quickly. So I'll see you when we're at the red truck, picking her up and taking a look at her for the first time. That's as good as it did yesterday. But hold on guys, wait, before we start showing you this truck, because I know you really want to see it, if you could just subscribe below and like this video and share it, I'd really appreciate it. Just trust me, you're going to want to watch when we bring this truck back to life. Look at this thing. This thing is California clean. It's from Inland, California. Came here yesterday to see it. She's got her own little scars and stuff, but beautiful. So, it's got brand new tires. They went on a week ago. Don't even have 10 miles on them. Brand new Old Man Emu suspension. I mean, everything is perfect on this thing. So, take a little tour of it and show you what we bought. So we're gonna get it started. Yesterday I did have a hard time getting it started. So we're gonna have to see if she'll start up with me today. So let's get under the hood and see if she'll be kind to me today. Come on, old girl. Same thing that happened yesterday. Dang. He did leave me some starting fluid, so we're gonna get under there. That did help yesterday when we went to go do it. So it does have a little bit of a manifold leak. You can hear it when you're driving down the road. The guy did kind of rebuild the carburetor, but still it has a hard start. I'm not sure what's going on there. Let's see if we can get some started fluid in there. warm up. One thing that the seller did tell me after the fact is buying the truck is, well, let me just show you. Come here. Notice that there was these push rods in the back of the truck. Look at that push rod. It's been mushroomed out. So he did replace it with a factory push rod. So we're gonna have to dig into the motor and really see what's going on there. But let's get her pulled up the street and load her up. So we're getting ready to drive this truck, maybe an hour. The guy, since he's owned it for the last 2 years, so he didn't really drive it that much. He's been working on it and kind of bringing it up to spec. So this is a real long virgin ride for it. So we're gonna bring her home and I'll take you through a little bit more when we get her there. Look, it's a friend. It's an FJ60. That thing's pretty clean over there. He knew I was gonna be driving this thing home today. So it was all smooth sailing on the way home from where I picked up the truck. The thing drives like a cloud. I'm pretty sure on the way home, probably 100 people's heads turned to look at it, stopping on sidewalks, waving at me, taking pictures. The truck is an absolute bombshell, gorgeous. So when the light gets a little better and there's a little more sun in the sky, I will take you through every aspect of what we bought. There are several things that do need to be fixed and I'll show you what those things are, but they're all manageable. So I'm just gonna be sitting here at a friend of mine's house for a little bit and we'll come back and take you through all that stuff.